Our dynamic teacher, Mrs. Poonam Thakur, will be the moderator for today's event. A few words introducing this dear and wonderful teacher of Army Public School Kirkee.
Mrs. Poonam Thakur has a teaching career spanning over 21 years. She has been mentoring meritorious students in Army Public School Kirkee for the last 7 years. She is a content developer and has her own YouTube channel. She has prepared many students for various debates, declamations, and other competitions. Poonam ma'am has been there with us since the beginning of this Ethics Bowl competition. She's very passionate about teaching and loves to support and guide her students.
A very warm good morning, everyone. Welcome to the finale of the Southern Command Ethics Bowl Competition 2022. Army Public School Kirkee organized the Southern Command Ethics Bowl competition from 13 July to 18 July under the aegis of Army Vice Welfare Association Southern Command. Mrs. Anita Nain, Regional President AVA Southern Star, Mrs. Anita Walia, Vice President AVA Southern Star, and Mrs. Aarti Jandyal, Chairperson Schools AVA Southern Star, acted as the main guiding light for the planning and execution of Ethics Bowl 2022. APS Kirkee began its preparation 2 weeks prior to the competition. Various committees involving teachers and students were formed to cover the different aspects of the competition and smooth conduct of the event under the able guidance of Principal Aarti Sharma. As it is rightly said, and I quote, "The difference between the moral dilemma and ethical one is that in moral issues, the choice is between right and wrong. In ethics, the choice is between two rights." On this note, let's commence today's match. Teams, as you know, from this point on, there are no substitutes or consulting with anyone other than your teammates at the table. Team D, the case study we are going to discuss is medical negligence. I hope questions are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Team D, you have 12 minutes to make your presentation and your time starts now. All the best. Team D, are you through with your presentation? Thank you, Team D and Team E. I must say it was a thought-provoking discussion by both the teams. Judges, please write down your scores for Team D's response. The right to be forgotten, one's right to remove personal information from publicly available sources, such as internet searches and other online directories under certain circumstances, gets in conflict with the right to information and right to transparency of judicial records. Team E, my ethical questions to you are, should a person's right to be forgotten be prioritized over the right to information of the general public? Should there be any obligations on the search engines regarding cases which are no longer relevant as the one mentioned above? Question number 2, can valid arguments be advanced for making the right to be forgotten a fundamental right? What those arguments could be? What limitations, if any, can it be subjected to? I hope questions are clear to you. Okay,
Yes,
Team E, you have 12 minutes to make your presentation and your time starts now. Thank you, judges, as well as the participants. With this, we have come to the end of today's match. It was indeed a knowledgeable, intense, and interesting discussion. Thank you all, and congratulations to both the teams for a great round and brilliant performance. Thank you, everyone. Now I would like to hand over the mic to head girl of the school, Metika, for further proceedings. Jai Hind.